Hi, today I would like to show you how to knit this top. So if you are interested, stay with me. And I just quickly want to encourage you to leave a thumb up and click that subscribe button so I can develop my channel. I'm going to use yarn from Drops, Muskat and 4mm circular needles. We are going to start by casting on 144 stitches. But first of all, we need to make a slip knot to get our yarn on the needle. This is the ending of my working yarn. Wrap it around your fingers, draw it through, and here you go. Slide your slip knot onto the needle and pull it. Now we are going to cast on stitches. So insert the working yarn with your fingers and wrap it around your thumb and forefinger just like that. Take your needle under and then over the yarn, pull it, and here you go. This is your first cast on stitch. Under, over, and that's all. We need to cast on 144 stitches. I've just casted 144 stitches on, and now we need to make sure that all stitches are lying evenly on needles and they are faced forward one direction. This step is very important because if you made this one wrong, you will need to unravel the whole project. After making sure for the second time that our stitches are good to go, we can start knitting. Just a quick note before we start, the first row is always the hardest, so keep that in mind. Focus on this and let's get over it. Needle with working yarn is in your right hand. And now I'm also placing a marker so I can tell where is the beginning and ending of the row. The first loop is our slip knot, and as I said before, we are now sliding it from the needle. To make a nice and even edge, all of the stitches in first row we are going to purl. How to knit the purl stitch. Take your empty needle and put the point of your needle through the stitch. Work from the right to the left. Wrap the yarn around your right needle. Slide the loop from the left needle, and here you go. This is how to knit the purl stitch. If you want to practice purl stitches, I will put the link in top right corner to my other video where I've showed you how to knit the purl stitch. Okay, so knit purl stitches till the end of first row. I've just knitted whole row of purl stitches. And now we are going to knit 2 by 2 rib stitch. First two stitches are knit stitches. Take your empty needle and put the point of your needle through the stitch. Work from the left to the right. And now pick the yarn and draw through the stitch. Slide the loop from the left needle and here you go. This is how to do the knit stitch. One more time. And after this, purl 2 stitches and then knit 2. Repeat this till the end of the row. I'm going to knit several dozens of rows in 2 by 2 rib stitch. Okay, I'm back and as you can see I've knitted some rows in 2 by 2 rib stitch and I have now about 42 centimeters. And now I'm going to knit first top part. So take 3 more markers and place first one after 36 stitches. Second marker after 20 stitches, and last one after 2 stitches. So I have 18 stitches, then marker, 2 stitches between, marker, and 18 stitches after. And now we are going to knit in rows back and forth. But before that, I would like to show you the scheme. So it will basically go the opposite direction, but I think this way is more clear. So we are going to stop 3 stitches before purple marker when we are on the right side of the project. Then these 2 stitches we are going to twist and purl together. At the end, these 2 stitches we are going to knit together. So to sum up, stop 3 stitches before marker, twist 2 stitches and then purl them together. This is where we have purple markers, and second and third stitch after purple marker, purl 2 together. And we are going to decrease number of stitches in every second row. On the wrong side of the project, we are simply going to knit all stitches. Okay, now I'm going to show you first 3 rows. At the beginning, we are going to cast off 2 stitches. Purl 2 together, put this back on the left needle, knit 2 together. And now 2 by 2 rib stitch and stop 3 stitches before purple marker. Now slide to your right needle, repeat, put them back on left needle and purl 2 together. Purl 1, slide marker, knit 2, slide marker, purl 1 and purl 2 together. Knit 1 and continue with 2 by 2 rib stitch till purple marker. And now rotate your project, and this is wrong side of it. So now we are just going to knit all stitches. Slide first stitch, purl 1 and continue with 2 by 2 rib stitch. This is where we casted off stitch, so purl 1, knit 2, marker, purl 2, slide marker, knit 2, purl, knit, and continue with 2 by 2 rib stitch till the end of the row. Rotate. We are back on the right side of the project, so it is time to cast off stitches. Slide first stitch, knit 1, knit 2 by 2 rib stitch and stop 3 stitches before purple marker. Twist this stitch, repeat, take them back on the left needle and purl 2 together. Purl 1, slide marker, knit 2, slide marker, purl 1, purl 2 together. And continue with 2 by 2 rib stitch. Rotate. And we are back on the wrong side of the project, so just knit all of the stitches. And after this row, just keep working with this scheme. Okay, I'm back. Here I have 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches. And now I'm going to stop only 2 stitches before purple marker, and I'm going to purl 2 twisted together. Knit 2 stitches between markers. Purl 2 together. Knit 2. Rotate. Knit all of the stitches. Rotate. Slide first stitch. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 between markers. Knit 2 together. And knit last stitch. This is how first part is looking. And here we are going to knit the shoulder strap. So I have 6 stitches left, and I'm going to knit stitches on the right side of the project and purl them on the wrong side. Do this till you have right length. Before you start second part, cast off 2 stitches, just like we did at the beginning of the first part. Okay, as you can see, I've knitted top part and my shoulder strap have about 32 centimeters. And now I'm going to show you how to cast off these stitches. So put the point of your needle through 2 loops and knit them together. Put this back onto your left needle and again knit 2 and repeat. Leave here some extra yarn, we are going to use it in sewing straps. Okay, so let's go to the back of our top and we are going to cast off stitches. Take the yarn, knit first stitch. Yarn over, knit 1 and take first 2 over just knitted 1. And again yarn over, knit 1 and take first 2 over just knitted 1. And repeat this till the end. Okay, it is time to sew shoulder straps. You're going to need sewing needle, find the right spot and just insert the needle back and forth. And repeat this with the second strap. And that's it. If you want to learn more, please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, and if you found that video helpful, please leave a thumb up and comment below. Thank you and I hope to see you later.